In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on Word. We will focus on removing your recent documents so they no longer appear in the Word start screen or in the recent list. First, open Word. If Word was already running, make sure you are on the main Word window rather than inside a dialog box. You should see either a blank document or the start screen with your recent files. Once Word is open, go to File, then Open. After you click File, the left side shows a vertical menu, and Open will be one of the options there. When you choose Open, the main area of the window changes to show locations and your recent documents. Under Recent, find the document you want to remove from the history list. The Recent section usually appears in the center, with file names you have worked on, along with their paths and sometimes small icons. Take a moment to be sure you are picking the right document, since the names can look very similar. Now, right-click that document. When you right-click, a small context menu appears right next to your pointer, showing several actions you can take on that one recent item. If you are using a touchscreen, you can press and hold on the document name to get the same menu. From that menu, select Remove from List. As soon as you choose Remove from List, the selected document disappears from the recent list. A quick tip here, this only affects what Word shows you on this screen. Here is a key detail to avoid confusion. This action removes the document from Word's recent list. It does not delete the actual Word file from your computer. If you open that file again from File Explorer or another folder, it will show up back in the recent list because Word tracks documents you open. Next, let us clear the entire recent documents list. Go to Word, then File, then Open again so you can see the recent list in the main area. You should still see any remaining documents that were not individually removed. Right-click any document in the recent list. It does not matter which one you choose for this step, because the command you are about to use affects all non-favorite entries. The same small context menu appears. Select Clear Non-Favorite Documents. When you choose this option, Word prepares to wipe out every recent entry that is not marked as a favorite. If you had pinned any documents with the pin icon, those will stay. Select Yes to confirm. After you click Yes, the recent list becomes empty except for any pinned documents. This gives you a clean start so older files no longer show up when you open Word. Now we will stop Word from showing any recent documents at all. Open Word again if you closed it, so you are on the main window or in a document. This change affects how the recent list behaves every time you use Word. Go to File, then Options, then Advanced. The Options window opens in the center, with a list of categories on the left. Advanced is usually near the bottom of that list, and clicking it shows a long set of settings on the right side. Scroll to Display. In the Display section, look for the line that says Show this number of recent documents. This setting controls how many items Word keeps in that history list. A higher number means a longer list on the File menu and Start screen. Set Show this number of recent documents to 0. You can highlight the current number and type 0, or use the small arrows until it shows 0. As soon as this value is 0, Word no longer keeps track of new recent documents for that list. Click OK. The Options window closes and you return to Word. From now on, your recent documents list in Word will stay empty, and new files you open will not appear there. You have now removed individual items, cleared the recent list, and turned off recent document tracking in Word. If this helped you clean up your Word history, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Word tips.